Please watch to the end. Comment and respond to other people's comments.
Last night at 10 o'clock, a father and a son shaken up after they say a driver pulled a gun on them during a road rage incident. Well, we've now learned that that other driver was an off-duty Harris County Sheriff's deputy. The entire confrontation stretched nearly 8 miles from Highway 249 and Old Tomball Waller Road all the way into Houston. It ended in a Walmart parking lot off 249 and Spring Cypress. Ryan Korsgaard joining us live tonight with what the deputy says happened last night. Ryan?
Bill, we were reminded that there are two sides to every story, and apparently both sides felt threatened. The Harris County Sheriff's Office says the story of what happened during a drive along Highway 249, the Tomball Parkway, changes depending on who you ask. Alan Ross Stotts and his 15-year-old son said that Alan Ross tried to move over a lane, not knowing there was a car already there. They said everyone involved rolled down their windows and words flew.
He pulled out a firearm and pointed it directly at me, and my dad put on his brakes and he swerved a little bit and he had to get out of the way.
This kid had to be terrified. I'm sure the father was also. This is just ridiculous.
Alan Ross said he, as well as the other driver, both called for help. Now we've confirmed an off-duty Harris County Sheriff's deputy was driving the other car. A spokesman for the department said the deputy, whose name has not been released, said he felt threatened when he was nearly pushed off of the freeway. The deputy said he only pulled his gun and badge when the other driver forced him onto the side of the road. The deputy said he did not point the gun.
For him to do something like that really tarnishes his name and kind of makes me feel a little more unsafe with police.
The sheriff's office says the deputy working the call took the information to the district attorney's office, which declined charges because of the conflicting statements. The deputy involved is on the job while his office conducts an internal investigation. And the deputies tell us the Internal Affairs is in charge of this investigation at this point. We're live downtown. Ryan Korsgaard, KPRC, Channel 2 News.